In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to get list ID in ClickUp. This is a quick but essential skill if you're setting up integrations using the API, building automations, or sharing precise references with your team. By the end, you'll know exactly where to find the list ID and how to copy it without grabbing anything extra. Start by opening ClickUp in a web browser and signing in to your workspace. Using a browser is important because we're going to read the address bar to find the ID. Give the page a moment to load fully so you're looking at the latest URL. Make sure you have access to the workspace and the list you need. Permissions can affect what you see. From your workspace, head to the space that contains the list you're interested in. A space is the top-level area that groups related folders and lists, so choose the one where your work lives. If you keep your sidebar collapsed, expand it so you can clearly navigate. You can also use the search bar in ClickUp to quickly jump to the right space if you're not sure where things live. Within that space, open the specific list you want the ID for. If your space uses folders, click into the relevant folder first, then select the list. Make sure you're actually viewing a list page, not just the space or folder overview. A list page typically shows tasks and views specific to that list, and when it's open, the URL will reflect that context. Now look up at your browser's address bar. The URL changes based on what you have open. When a list is active, the link includes the path to that list. We're interested in the segment at the very end of the URL. Often it appears as a series of numbers following the last slash. If you see extra characters like a question mark or a hash symbol, those indicate parameters or view settings. Ignore those. Focus on the final numeric portion that directly follows the last slash in the path. That final number is the list ID. To copy it, carefully highlight just those digits without including any slashes or extra symbols, then copy it. Paste it into your notes, an integration setup field, or wherever you need it. Double-check that you didn't grab trailing characters. If something doesn't work later, the most common cause is an extra slash or parameter sneaking in. And that's it. Open ClickUp in your browser, navigate to the correct space, open the list, read the URL, identify the number at the end, and copy it. You now have the exact list ID ready for integrations and automations.